Hello and welcome back to Son MK for another video. If you already have iPhone in your pocket, do you need GoPro? I mean just for taking pictures and videos instead of the action camera side. GoPro Hero 10 Black has surprisingly good picture quality what I have tested in my earlier videos, and so does iPhone 12 Pro Max. So this time I'll be doing something that I've been planning to do for some time, side-by-side comparisons with these two. Now before comparison, just few points. GoPro 10 shoots 23 megapixel photos and iPhone 12 Pro Max has 12 megapixels, so you're not getting more megapixels out of iPhone's camera, but with its amazing processing and HDR capability, this isn't that obvious. And then there's GoPro's capabilities of HDR and super photo, so this should be interesting. I decided to compare these two side by side in same setup with same objects and trying to keep it as fair as possible for both and really see how they're performing, and outcome surprises me in some occasions. So let's jump into it, and I'll put both photos on screen side by side and we can have a look, and you can guess which one is taken with iPhone or GoPro, and let's see if you're right. Okay, so first up, we'll start with the pictures from my movie room. Having low light environment with bright projected 106-inch image, one on the left and one on the right, and they are very similar. Can you guess which one is from iPhone and which one from GoPro? Similar way, next we have my home office, my desk setup in pictures. And now showing pictures from gym room, and at this point I'll just stop talking for a while and let comparison pictures to roll on, and I'll let you guess which one is which, and we'll have some conclusions soon. So there was difference, maybe more than I expected. If I would compare iPhone 12 and 13, probably would be difficult to spot any difference, but here, there was difference that can be detected. How was your observations? Did you guess which one is which? Let me know in the comments. To me, brightness in some pictures seems to be the biggest differentiator here. When we watched pictures in dark room, like in movie room, pictures were quite equal, GoPro using super photo and iPhone collecting more light with its night mode. In more normal lighting, to me surprisingly, pictures taken with GoPro are a little darker compared to iPhone. Not by much, but enough to notice the difference. And color temperature seems to be a little warmer in iPhone. Both cameras produce very nice images for cameras of this size. There's really no which camera to use question answered here. It comes more to personal preference and situations and if you carry something with you or not. Like size is something to take into account. So I carry my iPhone everywhere, but I don't always have my GoPro on me. So the GoPro is small though, I mean, if you compare it like for saying a DSLR camera, this thing is tiny, but still something that you don't necessarily carry with you all the time, unlike phone. But also situations could be something to consider, like you can give a child your GoPro to take a picture and it can handle some rough conditions, but maybe not your iPhone. GoPro can be a great family camera in that way. And one thing that wasn't showing earlier is if you take close-ups, GoPro is having fixed focus lens, which makes objects in the close foreground look blurred. iPhone is not having that issue. Just something to notice also. And as some thoughts for comparing these two as cameras. And if you made it this far, I hope today's video was useful. Please drop a like and let me know in the comments if you have noticed something similar or any other thing. I'll try to answer all. Thank you so much for watching, have a great day and we'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.